Hi everybody, this is Kevin with Texas Yardman and More. Today's video is on jumper cables, and I have a set of jumper cables here on my picnic table, and figured I'd do a quick video for some of those out there, some of you folks who don't know how to use jumper cables. And believe it or not, there are people that don't, so this video is for you. I've got a 12-foot long set of jumper cables, and each one of these goes on one of the batteries. It's going to go on the battery of the vehicle that needs the jump, and then you got the other set that goes onto the vehicle that's the host, that is going to be supplying the power for the jump. So you will see some cables where this yellow is red, but the black seems to be, it will always be black. Black means negative. So that would go on the negative terminal of the battery. And on each battery you should see where it's clearly marked with a minus sign, which means negative. Then on this one you have red, a red connector, and sometimes the cable sheathing is also red. But in this set that I bought, it's yellow. Yellow also means positive. So you have these clamps. You just simply open them up by squeezing, and then you've got some copper connectors right here that you're going to attach to the positive terminal on the battery. And then same thing on the negative. So you got some copper connections here. You want to make sure you get a nice connection. And so one goes on the vehicle you're jumping, so you got positive and negative. Then this one would go on the vehicle that you have running, that's going to supply voltage or power to the dead battery. So one thing to keep in mind is you want to make sure that the vehicle that's the host, that's supplying the power, you want to rev that engine about a quarter to generate more electricity, so that it can easily jump the vehicle. And there is nothing magical about these. These are just simply wire conductors that jump from one vehicle to another. So it's not hard. There's nothing unusual about these. It's just wire inside of here, and then they connect up inside on the terminal up in the front here. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, comment if you have any questions, and hit that notification bell in the upper right hand corner. And please subscribe, as it helps my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.